Good day, everyone. Well, if you're getting this error, this app can't run on your PC. Whenever you're trying to open any of the application, you're getting an error. This app can't run on your PC. So to fix that, firstly, you can try by doing a right click on that and run as administrator. See if that works for you. Sometimes due to corruption that happens. But let's say if that doesn't fix the problem, then do a right click on that particular app and then go to properties and then go to the compatibility mode. I'm sorry, let me just try with another one. In properties and run compatibilities troubleshooter or run this compatibility with Windows 8. Try that and see if that works for you. All right, so that can be done. And if your computer is corrupted or there are some bugs, you can simply search CMD and run as administrator, say yes, and here you can type sfc space / scan now. You can type that sfc space / scan now. This will scan the whole computer, and if there is any problem in the operating system, it fixes that issue. And once this is done, restart is a must. See if that works for you. All right, so you can try that, and if you still have issues, I would recommend to create a new user account. See if that's working fine or not. There could be a malware running in your computer, so you can also do a scan of your antivirus if you're using it. And you can also check the UAC, the user account. Type UAC and go to the change user account control settings and make it lower like this, and then try that if that works for you. All right, so for most of us, this will fix the problem. And do let me know whether this, scanning and creating a new user account is fixing the problem or not. If you still have issues, do let me know. I'll try my best to fix your problem. Is it working for all apps or for a particular app? You can let me know that as well. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.